In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a YouTube video into Descript. Now, whether you're looking to transcribe, edit, or just use the video as part of a larger project, Descript makes it incredibly easy to work with existing YouTube content. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to YouTube and locating the video you wish to import into Descript. Once you've found the video, go ahead and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. This URL is essentially the web link that leads directly to your chosen video, and it's what you'll need to tell Descript which video to import. Next, you'll open the Descript application on your computer. If you already have an existing project you'd like to add this video to, open that project. Otherwise, you may create a new project to host your video. This involves navigating to the project section and starting fresh. Within the project panel, you'll find an area labeled Files. It's here that you'll perform the next important step. In this Files section, locate the plus sign, which might be displayed as a plus or simply as an Add File button. When you click this button, it opens up some options for you. From the menu that appears, you should see an option labeled Import from URL, YouTube. This is the magic button that allows us to bring external video content right into Descript. If you're prompted with a dialog box at this stage, simply paste the YouTube link you copied earlier into the space where it says Import via URL. Once you've pasted the URL into the dialog box, the next step is to confirm your choice by clicking Add File. This action will prompt Descript to start fetching the video from YouTube. As a quick note, it uses the video URL to access the content, and depending on the video's length, this process can take a few moments. Descript will retrieve the video in resolutions up to 1080p, which is standard HD quality. However, it's worth noting that if the video is longer than 2 hours, there might be some restrictions, though shorter videos should import without any issues. After your video is imported successfully, you're in a great position to start utilizing it within Descript's rich suite of tools. Whether your goal is to transcribe the dialogue, edit and trim specific parts, or integrate it into a larger script, Descript offers all the tools you need. You can really let your creativity run wild at this stage. And there you have it, a straightforward way to import YouTube videos into Descript for all your creative and content needs. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to start experimenting with these steps. Thanks for joining today, and happy editing!